Dear learners, welcome to today's session. Today, we'll discuss an important topic: research trends of inclusive education in India. Please watch the entire video carefully and take notes on the key points. At the end of the session, you'll find multiple choice questions, MCQs, to help reinforce and assess your understanding of the topic. Let us try to understand. Research trends of inclusive education in India. Inclusive education has emerged as a crucial component of India's educational landscape, reflecting a commitment to provide equitable learning opportunities for all students, regardless of their abilities, backgrounds, or socioeconomic status. The research trends in this domain have evolved significantly over the years, shaped by global frameworks like the UNCTAD, Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 4, and national policies like the RTE Act 2009 and NEP 2020. Research in inclusive education in India is gaining momentum and becoming more multidimensional. While significant progress has been made in understanding the needs and rights of diverse learners, challenges remain in translating research into practice. Historical overview of research in inclusive education. Early research in India largely focused on special education and the segregation of children with disabilities. However, over the past 2 decades, there has been a marked shift towards inclusive practices, as reflected in integration of children with disabilities into mainstream schools. Emphasis on education for all, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Development of inclusive curricula and teacher training modules. What are various key focus areas of current research trends? 1. Policy implementation and evaluation. Studies analyze how well policies like the RTE Act, Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, and NEP 2020 are implemented at the ground level and their impact on inclusive education. Researchers explore accessibility of schools. Enrollment and retention rates of children with special needs, CWSN. Funding and infrastructure gaps. 2. Teacher preparedness and attitudes. A significant area of research is the preparedness of pre-service and in-service teachers to handle diverse classrooms. Studies focus on awareness of inclusive education principles, teacher attitudes toward disability and diversity, effectiveness of teacher training programs in inclusive pedagogy. 3. Classroom practices and pedagogical approaches. Research investigates instructional strategies used by teachers in inclusive classrooms, such as differentiated instruction, universal design for learning, UDL, co-teaching and peer tutoring, use of assistive technology. 4. Use of assistive and adaptive technologies. Another emerging research area is the integration of ICT tools, mobile apps, and other assistive technologies that aid learners with visual, hearing, mobility, and cognitive impairments. 5. Curriculum and assessment reforms. Studies highlight how curricula need to be flexible and inclusive. There's increasing research on curricular adaptations for students with special needs, inclusive and alternative assessment methods, individualized education plans, IEPs, and remedial programs. Emerging research themes. Intersectionality, exploring how disability interacts with gender, caste, poverty, and language diversity. Mental health and emotional needs, inclusion of students with psychosocial and emotional challenges. Inclusive education in higher education, focusing on accessibility in colleges and universities. Post-pandemic challenges, Impact of COVID-19 on inclusive learning, digital divide, and e-learning accessibility. Methodological trends. Qualitative case studies are common, especially for exploring lived experiences of students and teachers. Quantitative surveys are used for studying perceptions, attitudes, and policy outcomes. Action research is increasingly promoted among teachers and teacher educators. Participatory research involving children, parents, and educators is gaining traction. Gaps and future directions. More longitudinal studies are needed to track progress over time. There is a need for inclusive research tools, example, accessible questionnaires. Regional diversity in research needs attention. Studies from rural, tribal, and conflict zones are underrepresented. Stronger emphasis on collaborative and interdisciplinary research involving education, health, social work, and technology. Dear viewers, let's solve some important multiple choice questions based on the presentation. 1. Which of the following is a major focus of current research in inclusive education in India? A. Exam reforms. B. Rote learning techniques. C. Teacher preparedness and attitudes. D. Online business education. 2. Universal design for learning, UDL, refers to A. Designing schools in rural areas. B. Curriculum standardization for exams. C. Creating flexible learning environments for all. D. Building new examination halls. 3. Which approach allows teachers to study and improve their own teaching practices for inclusion? A. Experimental research. B. Survey research. C. Action research. D. Longitudinal study. 4. What does an individualized education plan, IEP, aim to do? A. Provide equal syllabus to all students. B. Track school maintenance schedules. C. Tailor educational plans to individual learners' needs. D. Promote school sports. 5. The National Education Policy 2020 promotes inclusive education through A. Exclusion of CWSN from mainstream. B. Technological advancement in rural areas only. C. Multilingual curriculum. D. Equitable and inclusive learning opportunities. 6. Which research method is most suitable for exploring lived experiences of students with disabilities? A. Qualitative case study. B. Experimental method. C. Descriptive statistics. D. Meta-analysis. 7. Which of the following is a facilitator of inclusive education? A. Rigid instructional practices. B. Negative teacher attitudes. C. Use of assistive technologies. D. Social stigma. 8. Which program emphasizes education for all and has influenced inclusive education in India? A. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. B. Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. C. Startup India. D. Jan Dhan Yojana. 9. Which tool helps evaluate the effectiveness of inclusive education policies? A. Social media feedback. B. Attendance register. C. Policy implementation studies. D. Financial audit reports. 10. One of the educational barriers in inclusive classrooms is A. Cultural exchange. B. Lack of trained teachers. Seek peer support. D. Positive school environment. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.